Brestrogen cream is a natural way to enhance your breasts without having risky, painful and expensive surgery. This breast enhancement cream has been created to help you boost your confidence if you're concerned about your breast size or appearance. Whether you feel your breasts are too small, have been affected by having children, or simply don't look as smooth and young as they used to, then Brestrogen was created for you. Brestrogen contains two important ingredients, Pueria mirifica and vitamin E, which help to firm and lift your breasts. Pueria mirifica is a plant found in Thailand, which has been called the elixir of youth for its rejuvenating and anti-aging properties. You can start to see and feel the benefits in as little as a week. If you're worried and self-conscious about having small breasts, then Pueria mirifica is high in something called phytoestrogens, which are said to mimic the effect of estrogen, your body's own natural breast enhancement hormone. This means that if your breasts have not grown to their full potential, using Brestrogen may increase your breast size. You can see on the website other women who have achieved an increase of 1 to 2 cup sizes. Brestrogen is really easy to use. It takes only around 5 minutes each day. It is recommended to use it once in the morning and once in the evening after your bath or shower. All you do is simply hold the bottle upright like this and pump just 3 drops onto your hand. Following these guidelines, each 50ml bottle should last you around 1 month. You can see that the Brestrogen cream is quite liquid, and this makes it really easily absorbed into your skin. It smells very natural and is not a strong scent, so you don't have to worry about not liking the smell or others being able to smell that you've used it. Gently massage Brestrogen into your breasts using a circular motion until all the cream has been absorbed. Brestrogen is produced in an FDA registered lab.